Hari ni kita nak belajar tentang kewarganegaraan. Hari means day. Ni means this. Ni or ini. Kita means we, the speaker and the listener or the listeners included. Nak means to want something, which is colloquial, and the textbook version is hendak. Belajar means to study or to learn. Tentang means about. And kewarganegaraan means nationalities or citizenship. How do you ask someone's nationality in Malay? Apakah kewarganegaraan kamu? What is your nationality? Apakah kewarganegaraan kamu? Apa means what? Kah, a suffix used to make a statement into a question. Kewarganegaraan means nationalities or citizenship. Kamu is you or can be your. But this sounds quite robotic, so we do not use it colloquially. A less formal one would be, kamu warga negara mana? Kamu warga negara mana? Kamu means you. Warga negara means citizen. Mana means where. However, the word warga negara is hardly used unless you are a government officer asking someone's nationalities at the country's entry point or something similar. The more colloquial way to ask for nationalities and answer them is, awak orang mana? Awak orang mana? Saya orang Jepun. Saya orang Jepun. Awak is you. Saya means I. Orang means people. Mana means where. And Jepun is Japan. Looking at the example before, to say which nationality you are in Malay, for example, if you are an American, it will be, saya orang Amerika. Saya orang Amerika. I'm American. Some people in Malaysia can say the word America as America or America. To say your nationality in Malay, you start with the phrase, saya orang. Saya orang. And then followed by the country's name. Saya means I, orang means people. America is the country America or the United States. Notice that America or America is written with K instead of C. Yes, as you have observed, there will be some spelling differences in Malay, but this is not something to worry about. Here are some examples of countries in Malay which has a bit of difference in spelling. Jepun, Jepun, Japan. Singapura, Singapura, Singapore. Korea Selatan, Korea Selatan. South Korea. Rusia, Rusia. Russia. German, German, Germany. Spanyol, Spanyol. Spain. Afrika, Afrika, Africa. Perancis, Perancis. France. If you don't know the name of the country in Malay, you can just say the name of the country in your own language or in English, for example. And most of the people in Malaysia will still understand which country you come from. If you want to know more, Please refer to this page for the full list of countries spelled in Malay. The second colloquial way is awak asal mana? Awak asal mana? Saya asal Perancis. Saya asal Perancis. Asal means origin. Mana is where and Perancis is France. Another colloquial method is awak dari mana? Awak dari mana? Saya dari Maghribi. Saya dari Maghribi. Awak is you, saya means I, mana means where, dari means from, and Maghribi is Morocco. And the final colloquial example is awak dari negara mana? Awak dari negara mana? Saya dari negara Belanda. Saya dari negara Belanda. In fact, you may drop or you may omit the word negara, which means country. Without the word negara, it will be saya dari Belanda. Saya dari Belanda. Awak means you, saya means I, dari means from, negara means country, mana means where, and Belanda is Holland. So let's check out some sample dialogue. This is a dialogue between John and Ali, and it is their first meeting. The dialogue in black is Ali and in light brown is John. Hai, apa nama awak? Saya John. Saya Ali. Kamu orang mana? Saya dari Jepun. Jepun? Kamu tak nampak macam orang Jepun? Oh, saya warga negara Jepun, tapi asal dari Amerika. Patutlah. Hi, what's your name? I'm John. I'm Ali. Where do you come from? I'm from Japan. Japan? You don't look like Japanese. Oh, my citizenship is Japanese, but I'm originally from America. No wonder. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today or learn something new, make sure you like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Sampai jumpa lagi.